Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna state about the best Monopoly Go tip and tricks. Here are some of the best tips and tricks for playing Monopoly Go in 2024. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log into your account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So there are a variety of best tips and tricks for playing Monopoly Go. The first thing is you can check in the game shop every 8 hours to claim free gift, which could include dice, stickers, and event tokens as well. So the gift could reset this countdown clock only when you claim them. So it's beneficial to collect them as often as possible. And likewise, developer offer releases daily free dices link on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Discord. These links can significantly boost your dice account without spending any money as well. And you can also hold off on building landmark until a will boost or sticker booms event is active. Now this event provide extra reward and our best time to spend your resources keeping eye on community forums or Discord channels to stay updated on upcoming events. When you're a few spaces away from the target, you can use a dice multiplier to increase your reward, and this is especially useful for landing on spaces that provide significant bonus like free parking during double dice event and all that. And likewise, there are others such as strategies, landmark constructions, and participating in events and tournaments, and managing your friend list and all that. To protect your fund from being stolen while you're away, you can spend as much as in your game cash as possible on upgrading before logging out. Now by following these strategies, you can enhance your gameplay experiences in Monopoly Go and maximizes your reward and progress in the game. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.